Hello everyone. So we are coming down the mountain from Snowshoe on 219 now. Got some pretty good twisties going through here. The sun finally came out, so it's making it for a little more pleasant of a ride. Curves aren't super technical. Anyway, coming up here in a minute, you're going to meet my spirit animal. So me and this dude, we both just love wind therapy. There he is. Cute, isn't he? Thanks for watching, guys. See you next video.